Hi everybody, Palm Bay Fire Rescue is back to share some safety tips while preparing that perfect Thanksgiving meal. Now, if you didn't know, cooking is the main cause of home fires and home fire injuries, and Thanksgiving is the leading day for fires involving cooking equipment. If you, like many others, are thinking of deep frying a turkey this year, please keep these top 5 dangers in mind. Number 1, turkey fryers can easily tip over, spilling hot oil. Number 2, an overfilled cooking pot will cause oil to spill over when the turkey is placed inside. Number 3, a partially frozen turkey will cause hot oil to splatter. 4, turkey fryers can easily overheat and start a fire. And 5, the pot, lid, and handles of the turkey fryer can get dangerously hot and cause burn injuries. To help make sure that these dangers are not an issue for you this year, please be sure to wear protective gear in case oil splatters. We suggest you wear oven mitts and an apron to prevent oil splashes onto your skin or into your eyes. Deep fry in an open outdoor area. It should always be done outside and never inside. Garages, even with the door open, and wooden decks are off limits. Measure how much oil to use before placing your turkey in the oil fryer. You can use water displacement method to measure it out. Place the turkey in the pot, cover with water, remove the turkey, use a stick to measure how much water is needed, then fill the pot with oil and dry the turkey with a hand towel. Remember that oil and water do not mix. Water causes oil to bubble and spill over, which can quickly result in a fire. Instead, stick with the turkey-approved marinades and rub, and never attempt to cook a frozen turkey, as the excess moisture will cause the oil to violently boil over and possibly start a fire. Have a fire extinguisher on hand just a few feet away. We recommend a medium-sized ABC dry chemical extinguisher. If the oil catches on fire, just stay calm and extinguish it. And remember, never throw water on an oil fire. Now, here's a demonstration on what could happen if you don't follow these safety tips. While we don't want to discourage you from deep frying those turkeys, we do want you to be safe while doing so. Be sure to follow these simple tips so that you have a safe and happy Thanksgiving, Palm Bay.